I should not be crying, but this is really scary. Hey guys, it's Duraging, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make curry chicken and rice. This video was a request, thank you so much, and we shall proceed. In this video, we will need onions, scallions, garlic, black pepper, paprika, curry powder, lemon juice, salt, green seasoning, hot peppers and green peppers, chicken of course, carrots and potatoes, and most importantly, rice. So this is what you need to make this meal. First, we are gonna wash the chicken with some lemon juice and some salt. This is so that the chicken doesn't have that fresh smell and taste. Just sprinkle a little there. Then we're gonna put some water. This is just my method. Now once that's good, we'll then proceed to wash it off. Now we are gonna cut the chicken, and I'm gonna be using a scissors. Just like cut it in the slices, dices, however you want to cut it. Now that I have my chicken cut up in cubes, I'm gonna go ahead and season it. And I'm gonna start off with some salt. About 1 tablespoon of salt. Just a little, because I use more black pepper than salt. So, now for the black pepper, I'm gonna be adding, this is gonna be like 2 tablespoons, I guess. I love black peppers. So. Okay, we're gonna put some paprika. Some green seasoning. If y'all don't know about green seasoning, we use it in Trinidad. It's the best seasoning. Not this brown, but you know. Okay. Green seasoning. Makes it nice and flavorful. Consists of a lot of spices and stuff. And I'm gonna add in some more salt. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. And I'm gonna be adding some scallions next. I didn't use a cutting board because I'm more comfortable doing it like this. Now I'm gonna be doing some onions. So I want to cut the onions in half. My eyes is already bleeding. It is. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna wash it so it doesn't burn my eyes a lot more than it is now. I'm gonna put some onions in here. And this is just my way of making curry. My eyes. Someone help me. Alright, I'm gonna be cutting up some green peppers. And I like to cut it up like this. last but not least, curry powder. And this one is a spicy curry powder. I don't even like using it this way. So what I'm gonna do is open it. Take it out the faster way for those who don't want to wait. Oh boy. This is a rather messy situation here. So I'm gonna leave back some just for when I'm cooking this. You can already smell it. So right now this is what we have. I'm gonna be mixing it around. After when you're done mixing it, you shall proceed to wash your hands. So I've seasoned the chicken and I'm gonna make this marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours and I'll see you then. Alright, see ya. While we are waiting, I'm gonna be cutting up the green peppers, the onions, the garlic, and the carrots since I haven't done those yet. This is just to buy some time so it'll be faster to make the food. I should not be crying, but this is really scary. Just kidding, it's the onion. But my eyes are really burning. So now that we have everything cut up and everything is getting marinated, we're just gonna wait the hour, probably like 50 minutes from now. I still haven't peeled this off yet. I like my PC though. Welcome back. Welcome back. It has been an hour since we put the chicken to marinate. Now I'm gonna make some rice and I'm gonna cook up the chicken. And I'll be showing you how to make it. A well seasoned and marinated curry chicken. Well, before I start with the rice, I am going to turn on the stove on high heat. Well, mostly like 6 or 7, and I'm going to do the rice. So I'm gonna put 2 cups or 1.5. This is my rice cooker. And I'm gonna put 2 cups of water. As you can see, I measured with this. And I set it to cook. Oops. Let's not forget the cover, okay? Now we have the pot getting hot. This isn't gonna take long. It's gonna take about 30 to 45 minutes. It depends on how long you want it to cook, but I usually go about 35 minutes. This is the closest I'm gonna be because I don't want to burn my phone. So let's hot. Gonna get some oil and put it in. Make sure the bottom is covered. What I like to do is make like a sauce. This is just to throw it in after. So I put some curry powder, some black pepper, and some paprika. I didn't make too much now. Now that the heat is hot, I'm gonna be adding some onions, garlic, some sweet peppers, green peppers. And I just got blend. Smells good. Please reduce the heat because you don't want anyone getting burned. For safety precautions. Now we're gonna add the chicken before these get burned. And proceed to mix. Now the chicken is gonna cook up, and we're gonna get some water from the meat. So you put on a lid and let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes before we continue. Right now is add the hot pepper, so you can just add it in there. Testing. Hot. I can taste the pepper. Covering on them. It's spicy. Tastes good. Well seasoned, as you can see. Tastes good. Now I'm gonna add the rest of onions and the rest of green peppers, sweet peppers. And alongside with that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the potatoes and the carrots. I'm gonna go along with my special sauce. Gonna be adding all of this too. I want to make a little more of the paste that I made and throw it in. prevent it from drying up, you can add the lid, or you can add some water or make a paste. That's what I'm gonna do. One important thing that I forgot to add was some cumin, but I'm gonna make it into the paste. I'm just adding it. Cumin, paprika, salt, black pepper, and curry powder. Add some more water in it. Oop, the rice is done. The rice is finished. Gonna let it sit there and warm. To make some gravy, you're going to want to add some cornstarch to water, just a little bit. So I'm mixing it and pour it in. And you mix it as you go. Oh, this is looking good. So guys, here is the taste testing. So you can see the curry is finished. And time to dig in. Tastes really good. Everything is on point. I hope when you made your curry, you enjoyed it. Don't put too much salt, don't put too much, stuff that would make the taste go off. So, I'm gonna enjoy my food now, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.